Wake up.
Banana, banana, nana, nana, banana, nana, nana. Hey monkey, here I come. Banana, banana, nana, nana, banana,
Okay.
nana, nana.
Use
Hey, monkey,
bathroom.
stomp the floor. Hey monkey,
Get dressed.
monkey, give a banana to me.
Yummy.
Hey monkey, monkey, hey
Eat
yeah.
breakfast.
Hey monkey, monkey, give a banana to me. Hey monkey, monkey, give a banana
Play.
to me.
Go to school.
When there's something really hard for me to do, I can be my favorite animal in the world.
Aha.
A cheeky monkey can climb up high. Cheeky monkey, ooh, ooh,
Woohoo!
help me,
Yeah.
help me up. I lost my tail.
Good job.
Me up.
Hey, girl.
Banana,
What?
banana, banana, where are you?
Oh,
I am banana. Do 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 do. Banana, banana. Who is there with you? Banana, banana. No, that won't do. I'm banana, banana. I'm banana. That is there with
Wow.
me. I'm banana, banana.
Whoa.
I'm banana, that is there with me.
Strawberry.
Who is that so funny? So nice and bouncy. Who's always ready to play? Who's waving his little tail? That is our puppy, puppy, puppy. He is so little, cute and fluffy. That is our
Great.
puppy, puppy.
Oh.
Banana, banana, where are you? I am banana. Do, do, do,
Cool.
do. Banana, banana. Who is there with you?
Trin.
Banana, banana. No, that won't do. I'm banana, banana.
Cool.
I'm banana, that is there with me. I'm banana,
Joe.
I'm banana, that is there with me.
Shade.
Strawberry, 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 where are you? I am strawberry.
Whoa.
I love to tickle, 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 tick,
Aha.
tick, tick, tick. Ha 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 ha. I am the tickle girl, and I love to tickle.
Whoa.
Ticky, 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 tick. Ha 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 ha.
Yeah. Woohoo. Fantastic. Yeah. Woohoo. Aww.
aha.
What is this cool pattern? I wonder what it does. I think it can do magic. Let's check it out. Wow, I love it. Time to use it now. Mama, magic control
Chocolate.
from a different world.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Mama, magic control.
Woohoo.
Things can go my way. I can magic water toy. Magic water toy.
Yeah.
Colors away.
Aha.
All I have to do is splash, splash this way. I lost my perfect color. What can I do? Green, green color. Where are you? Magic fruits would help me now.
Whoa.
Oh, pink, yellow, or blue, purple, green. Which one to choose? Oh no. Oh no, I have a funny feeling down below. Oh no, hurry now.
Oh,
I need to find the toilet. Ow, 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 ow. We're going on a toilet hunt. Do you see to find it.
Aww, yeah.
Pink?
Woohoo!
Yellow?
So many shapes.
Turquoise? Red?
Yeah.
Where do they go?
Whoa!
Blue? Orange?
It's a kitty. Little kitty, kitty, kitty. Little kitty, kitty, kitty. Little kitty, you're so cute. Kitty, I love you.
Let's go.
Tired. Misbehaving.
Ironing.
Oh, somebody made a mess.
Yeah.
Don't worry, she will help. Here she is, so yes.
Great.
About it.
Ew. Ha.
I love to jump and play. I can eat all day.
Uh-huh.
But when I fall down, boo-boo is no fun. Oh, oh, baby, I'm sorry. Wait a bit, don't you worry.
Wow.
Now it's
Good
gonna
job.
be.
Uh-huh. Oh.
Banana, 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 where are you? I am banana. Do, 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 do. Banana,
Whoa.
banana. Who is there with you? Banana.
Okay, let me calculate everything. What? This calculator isn't working. What should I do? Wait, I think this cube can help me. Yes, I can see all the answers here. Wow, this is so cool and fun. I'm playing and learning at the same time.
When there's something really hard for me to do, I can be my favorite animal in the world. A cheeky monkey can climb up high.
Corn.
Cheeky monkey, ooh, ooh, ah. Help me, hurry up. I lost my tail, help me out. Do not worry, we will find your tail. I will find it right away.
Yeah.
La 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 la.
Whoa, fantastic.
Tail. Ooh, ooh, ah. La 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 la.
Computer. Oh.
Banana,
C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. Computer.
Uh-huh.
banana, banana.
Symbol.
Who is there with you?
S-Y-N-B-O-L.
That won't do.
Symbol.
Oh.
I-L-O-V-E-N-O-M.
Real me.
I love Mom.
Banana. Oh, 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 no, no, no. What happened, my dear friend? You lost your collar. Where is your collar?
Aha.
Oh, what do we do?
Green.
I lost
Yellow.
blue,
Red.
blue collar.
Blue.
Oh, I'm not blue anymore. I want my
Good job.
collar.
Been knitting all night. Good morning. Thistle, sorry for not showing up to help you, but this is really important.
Daffodil, please stop knitting for a second. What's going on? And why is there yarn everywhere?
Can't stop. I might drop a stitch. Knit one, purl two. Oh, but I also need a few more things. Could you all help me out?
Doing what? You're being really mysterious.
I know I am, Thistle, but it's kind of an emergency.
Oh, well, now you're speaking my language. What do you need?
Here's my list. The sooner the better. Thank you. Goodbye.
5 barrels of natural dye in purple, pink, blue, and black. Where does Daff think we're going to get that much dye?
We could squeeze the last of my brambleberries and maybe get a bucket of purple.
Done! Thank you, Thorn. 5 bushels of soft, fluffy cotton. Oh, brother.
Oh, I have a box full of dandelion fluff. Would that work?
Close enough. Done. Thank you, Cap. 5 baskets of fresh pondweed? I give up.
Me too. I'm no closer to figuring out what she's making than before.
Well, whatever it is, it's important to Daffodil, which makes it important to us. So let's get to work.
Come along, waddle, don't dawdle. Put your pondweed into the basket. Stop it!
Oh, you!
No more nonsense. The lily buds are waiting.
1 basket half full?
Done.
A basket each of sassafras leaves, red clover, and elderberries. Officially done.
We have to crush the berries to make dye, dye the yarn, roll it in a ball, and take it to Daffodil. Still no idea what she's making.
I guess we'll find out soon. I think it's time to have a little chat with Daffodil. Huh? Ah! A mysterious blob. A giant yarn monster must have made this.
There's no such thing as a yarn monster. I'm sure Daffodil knitted this, whatever it is.
Maybe it's a sweater for some, large creature she met.
There's no holes for arms, or legs, or a neck. What kind of creature would wear this?
Whatever it is, it's so...
Not her usual lovely work.
Exactly. It looks kind of
Useful in some way. Probably.
Yes, Rose, but it's also...
Another example of Daffodil's creative spirit, and yet...
It's hideous!
Visitor in the park. It's the furry one. Prepare to be drooled upon.
Oh no! The blob! Everybody, hold! Hold! Buddy, come on, boy!
All clear.
Hi, everyone! So, what do you think of my newest creation? Actually, Daff, we're not sure what to think. Maybe you could tell us now.
That was close. Something wasn't completely hidden. The furry one could have... Whoa! What is that?
My knitting won't bite.
Do we know that for sure?
What this all means is, usually you knit something stylish or creative or interesting, not a strange big blob.
Blob?
Oh no! I've hurt Daffodil's feelings.
We all did. We have to think of a way to make it up to her.
Yep. I'd say that a cold winter wind will blow in by afternoon.
But I don't like to be cold.
Bucky, you have to accept the change of the seasons. Now let's pick some berries and get cooking. Huh? Keep going.
That was the only berry left.
Huh? What? No, it's too soon.
But didn't you just say we have to accept the change of seasons?
Thorn, we need you to make some of Daffodil's favorite berry bread right away. It's an emergency.
Oh, too late in the season.
No, winter's not here yet. Best I can do. Can't force nature.
Thorn's berry bread smells delicious. Daffodil can't stay upset for long.
Wait, a note. Dear friends, thank you for being honest about my knitting. I have gone for a walk. Love, Daffodil. P.S. Also, thank you for the snack. Please leave for later.
How did she know we'd come by with a snack? Spooky.
She knew we'd feel bad because she'd feel bad if she hurt one of us.
That somehow makes me feel worse. Whew. Is anyone else cold?
You know, it may be hideous, but it sure looks warm.
Lilybuds, the furry one is back. Hide yourselves.
Buddy, leave that go! Okay, everyone, we have an all clear.
Hold on a second. The blob! It covers the buttercup. She just wanted to keep us warm and cozy when we had our meals. But she's out there somewhere in the cold. Cap, get Moss and Thorn and show them the blob on the buttercup. Lilac, Thistle, we have to find Daffodil.
Careful, everyone. We have to watch where we're going or we'll... do that. Trip on a piece of yarn.
Wait, yarn? Daffodil's yarn? She must be nearby, but she'll never hear us call over the wind. Oh, how are we going to find her? Follow the yarn! Watch out for the prickles.
Ouch! Too late.
Daffodil, we finally figured out what you were knitting. We're so sorry we didn't let you explain.
Won't you please come back to the village with us?
No.
No?
Not yet, I mean. I came out here to think about what you all said about my blanket, and I was a little hurt. And then I realized, just because something's useful doesn't mean it can't look nice too.
But now that we know what it's for, it's the most beautiful thing we've ever seen. Stylish, even.
Thank you, Lilac. Coming from you, that means a lot. But don't you think this would perk it up? Will you all help me carry it back to the village?
Of course we will.
I can't hold any longer!
Oh, thank goodness we had our poppy shoots.
The wind is really picking up. If ever there was a time to use this, blanket...
Blob, a knit blob. Handmade by all the Lilybuds.
Sure, whatever you want to call it, but now's the time.
This is so cozy and warm, Daff.
Purple would have been a nice color for a blob. Maybe I should learn to knit.
No!